Alright, we're on it again. Chop right river right there. Don't look down. Ready guys, we made it in one piece. So I came to this like a parking field, super close to the beach, and they charge like 100 baht. Wow, this is pretty packed guys. So this is where you get your like a temporary tattoo kind of thing. Should we just dive in? Yeah, why not? This is where you get your bucket drinks. Let me just show you. So they sell them in buckets like just like this one. Wow.
Hello, bucket.
The buckets goes for 150 baht. Wow. What is it? $4? Pretty strong. Getting these colorful neon kind of thing on your skin is it's a must over here. Should I get one too? Alright guys, you're official now. Literally soldiers checking your wristband over here. Quite interesting, okay. I'm still so full from that dinner. So yeah, if you guys haven't watched the previous video, which was today's adventure going up on the Bottle Beach viewpoint, and afterwards having a dinner right next to where I stay. Already forgot the name of the restaurant. Anyway, the food was amazing. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead and do that, and then we'll continue on this one. Stages, they all play like different music. That is intense. pretty big. All right, let's go back to the madness. Now we're complete. There you go, happy people. Laughing balloons. Should we try it? As far as I can see, the whole beach covered in people. Wow. And as you guys know, today we had a pretty good adventure and I'm getting a little tired, to be honest. So yeah, let's go walk around a little bit more. Maybe we call it a night pretty soon. think this is pretty much it. What you expect from the full moon party. So
I would say like hello. Hello, he's a nice guy. Follow him and leave a like and a comment.
thank you, man. Appreciate it. So yeah, what I was saying is this is pretty much what you expect from the full moon party. A lot of booze, a lot of weed, a lot of what is that balloon kind of thing? What they call it, like a laughing balloon gas or something? I don't even know what exactly it is, but that, and also a lot of loud music. What a crazy night it was. Oh my goodness, it was insane. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't have anything planned for tomorrow, so I'm gonna just check my map if I mark any places that I supposed to visit. Somebody actually recommended me to go to Koh Summit or Summit Beach or something. He told me there's like a secret beach over there. It looks very nice, so I'm just gonna make some research about that area. So we might go over there, or we might just chill in the hotel. I'm just gonna end the video here. I'll catch you guys up tomorrow. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you tomorrow.